You can make a lot of money creating Bible verses coloring pages. So, welcome to day 5 of digital product ideas that you can make and sell from home. And these are trending products. And all you need to do is create it using AI and sometimes Canva. I am using ChatGPT in most cases to create my digital product. As usual, I am showing you a proof. You can see this product is in demand. A lot of people are buying this, and it will always be in demand because it's in season anytime, any day. If you are a faith person, you want to engage your kids with Bible verses and faith, based information and activities, and this is one of them. These products, the same thing. The point is, you cannot go wrong creating and selling Bible verses activity pages or coloring pages. And I will be showing you how to make them. I have created my images. These images I created using the prompt pack in my AI toolkit. If you want this AI toolkit, you're going to be getting it in the description below. So click on the link in the description below to grab this toolkit. Basically, everything you need to start making money from creating coloring pages is in this toolkit, right? You have the prompts that you need. I literally picked this prompt from the prompt pack, right? And here we go. You can see these beautiful images that has been created and ready to be sold. Now, the next step, if you have been following this series, the next step is simple. Convert this into a PDF because that is how you sell digital products. You're going to sell digital product mostly as a PDF file, right? So think of an ebook or any digital product. It's literally a PDF file. So basically, next step is this: convert this into a PDF file, upload it to your sales platform. I am using Etsy, for this demonstration because I have an Etsy store as well. So you can sell this on Etsy, Gumroad. You can sell this on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, right? I know a couple of people that literally make money just selling coloring pages on TikTok, right? So this is something you can do. Go on those Facebook groups and sell these things, and you're going to be making good money. Trust me. Very easy to make. You can make this in less than 10 minutes. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is convert this into a PDF, which has already been done. And now creating the listing photos. Okay. Now, listing photos on its own is, another interesting dynamics. You can either create it using Canva or you can create them using AI, right? In the previous days, I've created on Canva, right? I've created using AI, ChatGPT precisely. And now I'm going to show you, in this case, we're just going to create everything using ChatGPT. Yes, I created everything on ChatGPT. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is it, right? This is what we've created so far. You can see what it looks like. Everything, all I did was prompt it to tell it what we've just created, and this is it. This is literally on Etsy right now. Okay, we're good to go. I've always said when it comes to listing photos, you want your listing photos to also contain information that is very clear enough so that whoever is buying your product know what they are buying, right? So this is it. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. Everything is perfect and right on time. Literally, this is me showing you that you can create and sell your digital product under 30 minutes. Or basically, you can create your digital product ready to sell under 30 minutes because that is literally what it took me to create this prompt pack done. So you don't have to go about thinking about, what do I create, how do I create, and all that. And then we have the listing photos all created using AI, right? Digital product ready. All you need is just a prompting, and this is perfectly done. If you want the prompt pack, that will provide different prompts that you can just put into your AI, right? And it generates different category of coloring pages that you can start selling. Click on the link in the description to grab the AI toolkit because in this AI toolkit, you also get to learn how to create your creatives like this. You also learn how to create multiple coloring pages that you package and start to sell. And I also have a clear description and also tutorial on how you can create multiple coloring pages at once. So do not sleep on this. So we've created all this and this is literally good to go. I am satisfied with this. All I need to do is just push this button, publish, and it is live on Etsy. You don't have to spend so much time, thinking of what product to make. This is selling on Etsy. This is trending on Etsy. This is a product that is always on demand. And if you are a faith based person, this is something that speaks to a lot of, community, right? A lot of people. Okay. And this is something that I would also be having my children use because it's not only, putting the Bible verses in front of them, it's also fun. They learn and as they get busy with the activities, you're also instilling values and the Bible verses into them. Okay, it's also like a conversation starter. So now we have this done. The next is to publish and we're good to go. This is less than 20 minutes. You know that you can create a digital product in about 10 minutes as long as you have all the information you need. Once you have the necessary tools in place, you're good to go. And that is where these AI toolkits come in. The coloring page to profit toolkit. That is exactly what it does. It provides you all the information you need to start making money from creating coloring pages. You can grab that in the link in the description. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer your question. Remember to subscribe, remember to turn on your notifications so that when I come online, you will be one of the first to know. This is a 30-day series. So you are going to be getting 30 digital product ideas that you can start creating from home, very low budget, almost free, and you can start making money. So grab the toolkits. It's going to be linked in the description. If you have any question, if there's something you want me to talk about, if there's a challenge that you have faced, while trying to create something for yourself from this series, I would also be happy to answer your questions. So, yes, that will be all for today. And if this video is helpful, please also let me know. That will be all for now. All we need to do is click publish, and this product is live. So, you literally have created your product in less than 20 minutes. This is what the toolkit is like. Okay, you are literally just going to grab all these toolkits. In this toolkit has over 100 prompts, starter prompts bank, right? You have over 100 prompts in this prompt bank. And I have said it that every prompt that is going to be used during the course of this series or this 30 days challenge will be uploaded or updated in the prompt bank. So, whenever you buy this during the challenge, after the challenge, you're going to be getting updated prompts in the prompt bank. So, the default right now is 100 prompts. And so far, this is day 5. So, imagine that we have done about 20 prompts a day. You're already getting 200 prompts, and you can imagine how many prompts you're going to get at the end of the 30 days challenge. So, yes, grab this to start up your digital product business. And I can assure you that once you put in the work, you will not be regretting this. Okay. This is capable rather of making over $2,000 every month. Yes, just by selling coloring pages. And I will be showing you everything, including receipts, right? So that you know that it's not just, jargon. And honestly, every stay at home mother should start this business. It's easy to do. You can do it at whatever time you want to do it, right? As long as you stay consistent, you build your product bank, like you keep making products. Literally, I have given you 5 different digital product ideas so far on day 5. And imagine that if you follow this series, you're going to be getting 30 digital product ideas. Imagine 30 digital product ideas that you can already start with, right? That's literally your shop or your digital product store being filled up. And then you take it up from there. Okay. So I wish you all the best. I will see you in day 6 by the grace of God. Thank you for watching, and I will see you. Bye for now.